What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, do you need the animation of the radar, let's say for your video asset of your content? And for example, the radar gonna be like this. And if you need this animation, surprisingly you just need one picture and you can make it revive or work live like this. It's kind of the radar that is working in the cockpit. And how to create this one? It is very simple and you don't need to the specific application or software to create this animation. So here I will show you the step by step to do it, guys. So the first step you can do, you can visit this Meta AI. Yes guys, this Meta AI can help you to create the animation, and don't worry because this Meta AI is 100% for free. And if you'd like to access this Meta AI, then don't forget to do the login first with your Facebook account or Instagram account, since this Meta AI is still in the one management of the Meta from Mark Zuckerberg. And this will be the home page of this Meta AI, and you'll see that here you can create the photo, you can create the video animation, or you can also revive your photo, and you can add something in general here, and let's say you can even create the birthday card. And if you scroll down, you'll find the short video or clip or the animation from another user, and usually the video will be 5 seconds duration, and you can also extend it, let's say, to become 9 seconds maximum. And if you would like to revive the video, it will only show you one. However, if you would like to create the general animation or put the prompt here, it will give you 4 samples of the animation. And for example, I would like to revive the picture of the radar, and here this is the simple prompt that I will use. And I asked this Meta AI to revive this photo into the live radar animation in the airplane or cockpit. I'm sorry, like this, and also make the radars work during the flight, make the motion of it. And after that, you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the result. And basically, if you see the 4, actually it will only show you one like this, and the generation process kind of consume maybe 30 seconds until 1 minute, but always make sure that your connection is good. And actually this is the same prompt that I used before to revive this animation, and you can simply click this, and you can also add the music, let's say, or restyle it by the style of here that has been provided by this Meta AI, such as the desert rave until the fedora. And to download it, then you can start to click this button. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.